Okay, we're here today at Millcreek Canyon. We're going to do another hike. We're going to rate this as far as dog friendliness. So for those of you who are looking to take your dog on a hike, we are parked across from the Wasatch National Forest Terraces Picnic area, which you can see right there. It's just before the gate where they close off the top of Millcreek. And let's go do this. Okay, so we've just got to the parking lot. We went up the road. We didn't realize we could park up here. So for those of you who are coming, you can actually park up here. And it looks like we're at the trailhead now. And we will be heading up Terraces Elbow Fork, Bowman Fork Trail. Okay, so we will start filming from here. Okay, so we've hiked probably about maybe just over a mile up the trail, and so far the trail has been super dog friendly. We're running into patches of snow, which of course lead to mud, and again more snow. But all in all, so far the hike has been really dog friendly so far. I'll keep updating you with the terrain. Okay, just wanted to show you this terrain. The trail turns into all snow with a lot of trees that have fallen across the trail that you have to duck under. Nothing really dog friendly about it, just un-backpack friendly, because every time I try and go under these trees, my backpack gets caught. But as you can see, all the way up there, it's all snow. Okay, so we've been coming up this trail. It's all snow. It's been exhausting. And we've gotten to the first tree, and just the way it's positioned and by the depth of the snow underneath, it's the first unfriendly dog obstacle. In the summer, a dog would probably just be able to go right under it, but I had to lift my two dogs, which are 100 pounds each, over this log to get them to that next level. So just so you know, keep in mind, if there's a lot of snow on the trail, you will run into this. Okay, so this trail is getting steeper and steeper, and we've made our way to the second dog unfriendly obstacle. Again, I had to lift my dogs over this log. As you can see, it's really steep. If you were to slip, you could go sliding for quite a ways. We're making our way up to this area. It appears to be somewhat dog unfriendly, but our dogs got through it pretty good. As you can see, it's more people unfriendly. There are just a lot of trees that have broken over this winter, probably due to all the heavy snow, and it's just making the trail a lot more difficult as you have to go over them or under them. And there's all this debris that if you step wrong, your foot sinks all the way down past your knee and can be a little dangerous. So something to just keep in mind as you come up this trail. So we've got to the top of this trail, and interestingly enough, the trail comes to an end. We're not even positive which way is Gobblers Knob from here. The original trailhead is actually past where they closed the road for the winter, and unfortunately that road is still closed. So we were told that we could get to Gobblers Knob from a different trailhead from the Terraces Picnic area. We've been following the map and we've gotten to this point right here. We think that up there is Gobblers Knob, but it's starting to rain and there's just way too much snow to go that way, and quite frankly there's not even a trail, so we're not even sure which way to go. But we've been hiking now for a few hours, had some lunch. Up into here, it's more people unfriendly than dog unfriendly. Really steep, lots of trees have come down onto the trail, making you have to go over and under, and all the snow has made it really difficult. It's been a great hike as far as cardio, but I think from here I'm going to be putting the camera away in my backpack so it doesn't get wet in the rain, and I think we're going to start heading down. So if you ever want to do this hike from the picnic area called the Terraces, it's a good, intensive, steep hike, probably the last 1,000 feet to about where we are right now. But couple points of just some dog unfriendly points where the trees have fallen down, but other than that, it's not too bad. Just really steep, but the view up here is amazing. But it's definitely a heart racing hike. So other than that, I'm gonna head back down. Great hike, great cardio. Probably do this again. All right, talk to you later. Just as a recap, we were back at the car. We finished our hike. We got as high as we could. I don't think we made it all the way to Gobblers Knob. I'm about 90% sure that's not where we were supposed to go, but it just got way too snowy and there was just really no more trail. There was too much snow, or the trail had kind of been washed away as the snow has been melting. So we're just back in our car. Really friendly hike for dogs, with the exception of a couple places where trees have fallen over the path, but that's mostly because of the snow. Once the snow is melting, the dogs will be able to go. Once the snow is melted, the dogs will be able to go right under it. So, all right, that's our hike. This is London. The hike wore her out. It wore out Sky.